Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download software source codes for free from cricketfootballnews.com. Step 1. First, open your browser and search for cricketfootballnews.com on Google. Step 2. Click on the first link that appears and open the website. Step 3. Once the website is open, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. In that search bar, type in the name of the software that you want to download. Step 4. After typing the name of the software, press enter or click on the search button. You'll see a list of posts related to that software. Click on the post that you want to download. Step 5. Once you open the post, you'll see several links to download the software source code. Choose the link that you want and click on it. Step 6. The download process will begin, and the source code will be saved to your device. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the software source code for free from cricketfootballnews.com. Remember, downloading software from untrusted sources can be risky, so make sure to always use caution and download from reputable websites. Thank you for watching. cricketfootballnews.com